Hi everyone, I'm Siu from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to upload 3 minutes reel on Instagram. Sharing longer reels allows you to showcase more content, engage your audience and tell a more complete story. So let's get started on how to upload 3 minutes reel on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Tap on the plus icon from the bottom of your screen. Select the reel option from the bottom right corner. Now, choose the 3 minutes long reel that you want to upload. Then tap on the next button from the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you can manage the length of the media and add music to your reel. Once you are done, tap on the next button at the top right corner of your screen. On this screen, you can make extra edits like adding clips, music or text. Once you are satisfied with the reel, tap the arrow icon at the top right corner to proceed. Finally, add captions, tag people and choose location if you want. Once everything's ready, tap on the next button. Finally, tap on the share button and your reel will be uploaded on Instagram. And this is how you can upload 3 minutes reel on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.